Welcome to Macarium. We're starting a new project. The team of experienced workers has bought a big bus and is going to convert it into a mobile home. They start dismantling the interior, beginning with the seats. The space freed up by removing the seats provides quite a large area. They intend to completely cover the window openings with composite panels, so the existing windows will be dismantled beforehand. This is not the ideal method for dismantling the windows, as it is not safe, but in this case, there was no alternative. The bus is not very new, and due to environmental conditions, the rubber seals around the windows were damaged. Therefore, they were forced to break the glass and then remove the deteriorated rubber from around the perimeter. The idea of mobile homes began in the 1960s and 70s when Americans started converting old school buses into living spaces. This trend is closely linked to the hippie movement, which sought an alternative and independent lifestyle. Dismantling the old air conditioning system and luggage compartments turned out to be quite difficult. It's not recommended to remove them without assistance. The ceiling must be completely cleared of all unnecessary components and thoroughly cleaned of dust. The first models that were widely used for conversion into mobile homes were school buses, which often represented old but sturdy vehicles. The brand and model typically depended on availability and the local market. The back stairs of the bus must be completely cut off using an angle grinder. This area will later serve a different functional purpose. All surfaces must be treated with an angle grinder too, for rust removal and smoothing. All remaining open window spaces must be filled with composite panels. To securely bond them, a black primer is used first, and then a high-strength adhesive is applied. All uneven surfaces must be treated using various types of grinders, depending on the material and required finish. The old roof was removed and replaced with a new roofing system. All seams, joints, and edges were thoroughly sealed with high-quality construction silicone to ensure proper insulation and waterproofing. A roof hatch was installed to allow natural light into the interior. In the end, a beautiful space was created. There is enough room to comfortably accommodate a living area, kitchen and bedrooms, and of course, a bathroom as well. However, this is still just the framework, and the main work is yet to come. The necessary wood materials for this project have been delivered. These include laminated plywood, standard plywood, and OSB. Next, the sides of the bus are cut and framed to accommodate the windows. Precise face panels are cut for each opening, carefully shaped and adjusted to ensure a perfect fit. The custom-made windows, equipped with built-in screens, are selected for their functionality. They are made of thick cast acrylic plexiglass, chosen for its exceptional clarity and long-lasting durability. The old battery is replaced with a more powerful and durable one. To remove the old stickers, foil remover is first sprayed, and then hot steam is used to peel them off. Fiberglass bat is used for the insulation, so it is applied across all interior surfaces. After masking, the gaps will be filled with silicone. Composite panels used to cover the exterior of the bus are multi-layer building materials made by combining two or more distinct materials. They often consist of a lightweight core, such as foam or honeycomb, sandwiched between two rigid outer layers like aluminum, fiberglass, or plastic. Next, the plumbing and drain systems are installed, as well as electrical wiring. This in-motion satellite antenna is designed for SUVs, vans, buses, and coaches. It ensures excellent performance even under challenging road conditions, thanks to ultra-sensitive gyroscopes and advanced tracking algorithms. The system includes a control box with an integrated HD satellite receiver, and the aerodynamic dome design minimizes wind resistance, making it efficient even in fast-moving vehicles. This smaller device is a MiFi antenna, which will be mounted on the roof of the bus to maintain internet connectivity on the road. It enhances weak cellular signals, especially in remote or obstructed areas like rural zones, and boosts the signal strength and performance of portable wireless routers that create a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot using cellular networks. The final steps of the ceiling insulation process are now underway. Numerous cables run across the bus ceiling. Each is lined directly to the control board. This setup offers several practical and safety-related advantages. It makes the entire electrical system much easier to maintain and troubleshoot. Individual lines also reduce the risk of short circuits and overheating. Attaching a retractable awning is a great solution for taking breaks on long trips or for camping. It's built on a simple mechanism and folds away compactly when not in use. Now, the metal angular brackets are being prepared for the installation of the solar system on the roof of the bus. These brackets will serve as a secure foundation for mounting the solar panels, ensuring that they are properly aligned and positioned for optimal sunlight exposure. The brackets are carefully measured and fixed to the roof, using strong adhesive and screws to ensure stability. The solar panels harness sunlight throughout the day and convert it into electricity, which is then stored in deep cycle batteries inside the bus. This stored power is used to run essential systems such as lighting, appliances, ventilation, and charging stations. For the freshwater system, a food-grade plastic tank was selected, ideal for mobile use and safe for drinking water. Depending on space and climate factors, the tank will be installed under the bus. A 12-volt water pump is connected to ensure stable pressure for all water fixtures. A separate tank is installed specifically for gray water wastewater coming from sinks and the shower. This tank is connected to a drain valve that is accessible from the outside of the bus, allowing for easy and hygienic emptying when needed. The batteries are wired to the inverter, which converts the stored energy into 220 volts of electricity. A compact LPG water heater is securely mounted to the wall, positioned close to both the water supply and the gas line. The LPG cylinder will be filled from here. It is securely placed in a sealed, vented compartment to ensure maximum safety during travel and use. The diesel heater is a compact and efficient heating solution, designed to provide consistent warmth inside the bus. The fuse box controls the electrical system of the bus, switching power on and off. It manages electricity supplied by the solar system mounted on the roof. Furnishing the mobile bus is one of the most pleasant steps in the whole conversion process. All furniture is built with lightweight but durable materials. Baltic birch plywood is commonly used for cabinetry and structural elements. Laminate sheets or pre-finished plywood are often installed on countertops and cabinet doors for easy maintenance and resistance to moisture. Building a bunk bed with plywood inside a mobile bus is a smart and space-saving solution. A typical bunk bed layout uses one side of the bus, allowing for a narrow but functional setup. Each bed is usually about 70 to 80 centimeters wide, depending on your space constraints. It's important to leave enough headroom between the bunks and the ceiling, usually around 60 to 70 centimeters, so that the lower bed is still comfortable to sit up in. For construction, 18 or 21 millimeter Baltic birch plywood is ideal due to its strength and light weight. Luxury vinyl tile is laid throughout the bus. This material offers a balance of durability and flexibility and is easy to install. It's also lightweight and can handle the movement and temperature changes typical of mobile living. The layout is typically organized starting with the sleeping area, which is placed at the rear of the bus to ensure privacy and comfort. The space also allows for the installation of small wardrobes, providing essential storage for clothing and personal items. At the front, a living area is arranged, usually including a compact sofa, a table, and integrated storage beneath. Here, an additional smaller bedroom with a bunk bed is built on one side, a practical choice for families or guests. Depending on the plumbing system, a restroom is installed in the middle, fully tiled and equipped with necessary appliances. Through this zoning approach, a functional and balanced interior is achieved. At this stage, vehicle maintenance begins to ensure the bus runs smoothly after conversion. The process starts with replacing the air filter that provides clean airflow into the engine. Next, the engine oil is changed to maintain proper lubrication and performance. Due to the increased overall weight of the converted mobile home, the suspension system should be upgraded. This includes replacing the air bellows, an air spring-based alternative to traditional coil or leaf spring shock absorbers. Air bellows are commonly used in high-end vehicles and buses for better load management and ride comfort. The mobile home bus is now fully equipped and ready for its first adventure on the road. Under the awning, an outdoor kitchen in a mobile bus provides a perfect space to cook and dine in the open air, making it ideal for campers and travelers. Inside the bus, a kitchenette provides all the essential features for cooking and meal preparation within a limited space. It includes a mini fridge, streamlined storage, a compact washing machine, and other necessary appliances, all designed to be space-saving and efficient. Since the system relies on solar energy, all appliances in the kitchenette should be chosen with energy efficiency in mind. As mentioned earlier, the idea of converting buses into mobile homes gained popularity in the 1960s and 70s, especially among counterculture groups and communes. A notable example is American author Ken Kesey's International Harvester bus, which he and his followers, the Merry Pranksters, converted into the colorful Further in 1964. It became an iconic symbol of the counterculture and schoolie movement. People convert buses into mobile homes for various reasons. Some live in them full-time to embrace a simpler, more affordable lifestyle. Others use them for travel and adventure, enjoying long road trips with home comforts. Many treat them as vacation homes for camping or weekend getaways. They're also ideal for remote workers and digital nomads needing a mobile office, and some creatives turn them into studios or workspaces. In all cases, mobile bus homes offer flexibility, freedom, and a unique way of living. If you like this project, make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for more exciting videos coming soon.